Alice, show me your nose. Show me your nose. Alice, show me your nose. Good boy. Clap yourself. Show me your head. Show me your head. Show me your head. I said get kwaka or kwaka. Alice, show me your head. Good boy. Clap for yourself. Show me your mouth. Don't show him. Also, don't show him. Show me your mouth. Good boy. Clap yourself. Alice, show me your nose. Show me your nose. Show me your nose. Good job. Clap yourself. Yay. Show me your head. Show me your head. Show me your head. No. Alice, show me your head. Your head. Show me your head. Show me your head. It's not nose. Show me your head.
Few moments later.
So guys, this is basically what we do every Saturday, okay, and this is how we all survive in Nigeria.
How many did you? 10, Abby. 11. So don't spoil. So 11, 12. You should still can't have again, but I don't trust you. How many?
How many dozen? What about how many dozen?
Oh yeah, what's that? 1 dozen. Go there. I think I see add one now. I think I see add. So guys, please ignore the noise. This is all the things I bought in the market today. Oh my, these are so expensive. I'm gonna show you guys one after the other because okay, this one I bought it 1 2. Yeah, this one is 1 2. Before it's 1,100 naira, so I don't know why they're selling 1 2 now. Then I got this. This is normal fresh pepper. In here is 1,000. So can you guys see? 1K. So guys, I got this tomatoes. This tomato is 2,000 naira. This is really This is 2K. Then this is my meat. In here, the meat price in here is up to I think 10,000. This is 10,000 naira meat, and it's quite big. So this is the bill that I bought. 2,000. I think 2,350, I think so. Then in here is my gari. My mother-in-law said she's going to bring garri for us. This in here is 3,002 for the big penta. Then the other small penta is, I think, is 3K or so. So this is my egusi. I also bought egusi, guys. I want to prepare egusi soup. And this are my onion. I bought this onion. The way I told our bucket to put this onion, it's very funny. I asked him for one basket. He told me that it's 1,200, and I asked him how much is one. The guy told me that it's 15 naira. So and I bought each for 15 naira. I have to buy two. I have in here. I think it's 25. It's 12. It's more than 12. Yeah. So I think picking one is better than say you want to buy food, because that one you told me that you will sell it last for 1,200 naira for me. So I now pleaded with him to give me this one for 15 naira. So they are with them giving me this for 15 naira. So I now bought 24 pieces. Yeah. So guys, this is my tomato. I bought Sarah. I was looking for Sonia in the market, so I couldn't see Sonia. So I now bought Sarah. I bought about 3 Sarah. So this is it. I bought 3 Sarah. This is my bitter leaf. In Igbo, we call it onubu. The reason I want to use this onubu to prepare my egusi soup is because of the fridge. We don't trust NEPA, and sometimes now, Nigeria we did. So I just want to use the onubu because I want it to last. Another thing that I did, another reason I want to use this onubu is because my husband requested for onubu. He requested for this bitter leaf, so that is the reason I'm also using this. And it's quite good. It can last longer in the fridge than vegetables, so I prefer this to vegetable. If I want to prepare my egusi with the vegetable, I would like to, finish the soup that very day. I would not like to warm it again tomorrow, the next day, because it will look somehow. So yeah, I now bought some spice and oporoko. Oh my guys, oporoko today very expensive. This is 2,000. I pleaded with the woman to give me this for 2,000 naira. So yeah, this is my pepper. I also have other pepper at the other bag. Also have other pepper in the other bag. So yeah, these are the things I bought. So guys, so guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and sit and watch me cook. Okay, so guys, let's cook together. This one with this open mouth. I feel.
So guys, I think surviving in Nigeria, you have to be happy. That's the key. I swear, that's the key. Overlook some certain things and be happy. All right. And another thing I want to advise is eat well. If you want to survive in Nigeria, just make sure that you eat very, very well. Me, I don't care. I eat very, very well, because this type of things that people go through in Nigeria, you don't even need workouts again, because people go through a lot this period. So just have to eat well, be happy, that's it. So guys, this is basically what works for me and my family. And another thing that works for me is that I cook in bulk. Like, I don't stress myself. Once this particular tomatoes that I bought is even way too small, like I do cook a very big pot of stew or soup and pack in the fridge, all right, to save stress and to save cost. If you think buying in bulk, cooking in bulk is not good, my dear, it's very, very good. Though this period you really, really need it. If you cook one, just cook. If you have a small container, just pack them and put inside your fridge. If you try cooking every blessed day, as in, the cost of things now, trying cooking every day is not really easy at all. So once I'm done cooking stew or soup, I'll pack them in the fridge. Maybe in the rest of the weeks, I'll prepare like yam egg sauce, or I can cook beans or other things, but at least I have stew in my fridge. That is basically what we do in my house. All right, it's not that we have the money or that we are dangote, no, but at least the little that we have, like this whole thing now, how much did I even, I carried like almost 30 something thousand to the market. I did not even see what I bought, like I 40K. I didn't really see anything. Just that the meat is quite okay, like it's good. But before now, you know that if you want to buy meat in Nigeria, you know that say 10,000 naira myself will even fill your pot. Yeah. It will full pot. But now, sorry is our name. But we pray and hope for better days. Yeah, we just pray that everything will get better. So guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time, if you're coming across our video for the first time, my name is Osita Jenny and I base in Delta State with my family. So guys, just sit down and let's watch this video to the end, okay? Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. And another thing I want to tell you guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know as in whether your hand they pay you to subscribe to my channel. Please do well to subscribe. Follow us for more videos. If you love the vibe here, like if you love what I do in this my channel, don't forget to subscribe and support your girl Pico. I don't come with my bambila now. I dey beg una subscribe. Yes, it will make me happy and it will also motivate me to keep doing more. All right, keep filming and interesting videos for you guys. So don't forget to support and also share us in the comment section. How do you cope in this season? Like, I'm so interested to hear what works for you. Like, how do we give us more advice on what to do? Okay, if you're in Nigeria, if you're also not in Nigeria, you can still contribute in this. Those that are not even in Nigeria, you guys are enjoying, like you guys are enjoying. I wish I get the opportunity to say for don japa, but Oga say no go fit japa because he already established himself in this town. So send in the comment, type in the comment section what works for you while we cook. All right, thank you guys.
highlifeng.com.
Of the righteous, but the Lord saves him from them all. The enemy will dig a pit and fall into it, but the righteous will move by the power of the Lord. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye.
So guys, I'm done cooking. I think I'm done cooking everything. This is how I cook most of the time, but not all the time. But this particular one, I think it will last us for, let me just say, close to 2 weeks. Yes, I think it will last. So I'm so tired and I have headache. Oh God, my kids are in the room. I had to lock them up in the room for me to be able to achieve this, because my girl went to lesson. She's currently in JS3, so they are planning on writing their WAEC, their junior WAEC. So I now told her to go to lesson and join her mates for her to, catch up. She's quite intelligent as well, so I trust her on that. So, but at least that lesson helps. That's why the whole work, without you, it's like hell. I swear, without her, it's like hellfire. But she's really helpful around the house. So guys, I think I'll end this video here. Thank you for watching and thank you for always supporting me, guys. You guys don't know, but you guys don't know, but you people are wonderful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. All right. So guys, please don't be mad at me that I did not really video all like everything I was cooking. You know, with the kids now, I can't be able to handle it. Cooking all alone, vlogging, no. And I was trying to rush things because leaving Awesome and Alice in one room is like without anybody there. Once I don't hear noise, I'll go straight to the window and peep if they are fighting, because this is how I literally settle fights every day. Like, I don't know if it's only me, I do settle fights every damn day. Like, also don't know that it's senior Alex, so they fight. I'm currently having a headache because of the shout. I overshout today, and I wish she was around and it would have been. So guys, if you love the vibe here, don't forget to subscribe. And if I see my face for the first time, my name is Osita Jennifer. I'm a mom based in Ogeli, Delta State. If you love what is happening in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.